What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up shipping settings on your Shopify store. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings, okay? And then what you need to do, guys, next you want to search for markets, as you can see. Now after you search, guys, for markets, what you need to do, guys, next is as you can see, this is your active countries and this is inactive. Now international is not active, as it says here, inactive. So even if you add the price of the shipping and if you add these countries, you won't be able to complete the checkout because they are inactive. I hope it makes sense, but this will make sense in a few seconds. As you can see, 200 countries are not in any of your markets. So what you need to do now is you want to scroll up, like I said, and then click on add the market in the top right. Here, market name, the customers won't be able to see this, so don't worry. So the market name, I would say, like, for example, countries I ship to, for example, okay? And here you need to click on add countries, and then you can select all the countries that you want to ship to. So you can just select one by one. For example, select this one. I would select there are a lot of countries here. So I would go, of course, I will select here, I will select Albania. So these countries are Europe countries. If you want to select all Europe countries, you can just click on Europe. If you want to select all of Asia countries, you can just click on Asia, then all the countries will be selected automatically. Now you want to select all the countries that you want to ship to, okay, that you are going to ship to. So for example, if you have products in China, you want to ship, for example, to Europe, you can then click Europe and then all the countries will be selected, and then people from Europe will be able to complete the checkout. But if you don't select these countries here, even if you add the price of the shipping, etc., people will not be able to buy. So add all the countries here and then click done. So after you click done, you want to click on save in the top right. Now the next thing, which is very, very important, is you want to go back and you want to click on settings. And after, guys, you click on settings, you want to click on shipping and delivery. And here where it says custom shipping rates, you want to click on create a new profile. So after, guys, you click on create a new profile, you want to name the zone. Again, it doesn't matter what you type here, customers won't be able to see this, just for you to remember the zone, okay? So the zone name is going to be, like, for example, countries. Again, I would like to ship to. Now after you add this, what you need, guys, you need to click on as you can see, it says here no products, move products here from another profile to set up spirit rates. Yes, if you have like different products, you can just add one by one. You can just click on add product, and this is my product. Click on it, click done, and this product you can just add the price specifically for this product. But I'm going to add the same price for all my products, okay? So you just want to click on create zone, as you can see, and then you want to name the zone, for example, I would say countries, and here you want to then select the countries, okay? Select all the countries that you would like to ship to again, okay? You can also select United States, Canada, Australia, United States, as you can see, New Zealand. Now after you finish, you want to click on done. So the most important thing now is to add the rates. So even if you do all these things, if you add the international countries, you won't be able to complete checkout because you didn't add the price of the shipping. Also, it says here the same thing, no rates. Customers in this zone won't be able to complete the checkout. So you want to scroll down a little bit and click on add the rate. And here where it says you want to add standard rate name, and here you want to add the price of the shipping. See, it depends on you guys. If you want, for example, if you want to add like standard, if you want to ship this using the standard shipping, you just want to add the price. It depends on the product weight and the product type. So I would just go with $15. Okay, click done. By the way, this is not dollar currency, so but it makes sense for you. You will see their dollar currency. If you don't see their dollar, you want to change the currency to dollars. Okay, so yeah, and then click on save, and that's it. People from these countries will be able now to complete the checkout. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.